Hello everyone, today I am going to discuss aromaticity. This is the most important for CSR NET, GATE, IIT JAM, and I will give you some concept tricks, so please don't skip the video. Now, what is aromaticity? Aromaticity is a property of cyclic planar structure with pi bonds in resonance that give increased stability compared to other geometric or connective arrangement with the same set of atoms. Now first I discuss what is aromatic compound. Aromatic. First check cyclic and conjugated. First check the compound cyclic or conjugated and conjugated. Second check planar means sp or sp2 hybridization. Third, check follow Huckel rule. Follow Huckel's rule or Craig's rule or Craig's rule. Later I discuss Craig's rule. Now I discuss Huckel's rule. Huckel's rule in aromatic system there is 4n plus 2 pi electrons system. Compound are aromatic. Now example. Suppose benzene ring. There are 2, 4, 6 pi electron system. We know the 4, 5 n equal to 0. This is 4 into 0 plus 2 pi electron. There is 2 pi electron system. 2 pi electron system. N equal to 1. 4 into 1 plus 2 pi electron. There is 6 pi electron system. N equal to 2. So this is 4 into 2 plus 2 pi electron equal to 10 pi electron system and so on. This is 6 pi electron. So this is, and first check cyclic, this is cyclic, and conjugated, this is conjugated system, and planar, this is also planar because sp2 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 all are sp2, and follow the Huckel's rule, 4n plus 2 rule. So this is aromatic compound. And next, suppose pyrrole ring. There are 2 double bond and one lone pair are conjugated. So this is 2 2 2. This is 6 pi electron system. 6 pi electron system. So this is cyclic and planar because this conjugation, after conjugation, this is also sp2. So this is planar and follow the Huckel's rule. So this is also aromatic compound. Next I discuss property of aromatic compound. Aromatic compounds are highly stable. Second, aromatic compound show electrophilic substitution reaction rather than addition reaction. Suppose example, this is addition reaction example. In aromatic compound, no addition reaction. Third, aromaticity is the property of periphery of the pi electron due to ring current generated by periphery of the ring. Suppose example, this is also the same ring. Now, this is not the periphery. This is not the periphery double bond. Not periphery double bond. So, these double bond are not in count of aromaticity. So, number double bond is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, 7 double bond 7 into 2 equal to 14 pi electron system. We know 14 pi electron system. This is 4 into n plus 2, 4n plus 2 rule. 4n plus 2 equal to 4 into 3 plus 2. N equal to 3, 4n equal to 3, so 4 pi electron system. So this is the planar molecule and all are conjugated, and 4n plus 2 rule, Huckel's rule follow. So this is the aromatic compound. Next, another example, suppose this ring. These double bond are not count because this is not the periphery double bond. So number of pi double bond 1 2 3 4 5 6. So 6 into 2 equal to 12 electron. 12 electron. This is 4n rule. 4 into n equal to 3 equal to 12. So this is not the aromatic because 4n rule is anti-aromatic. Next I discuss anti-aromatic, and aromaticity only see the periphery double bond. This double bond, not the internal position double bond. Only see periphery double bond. Next I discuss anti-aromatic, non-aromatic. Anti-aromatic, this is first condition cyclic and conjugated, then planar, and follow the Huckel's rule. This is 4n pi electrons rule. Suppose example, you all are sp2, all are sp2, all are sp2. This is planar and cyclic and conjugated. So but follow, this is 2 and 1 2 2 4 pi electron system, 4 pi electron system. So 4 pi electron system, this is anti-aromatic compound, anti-aromatic. Another example, suppose this is also 4 pi electron system, this is also anti-aromatic. Suppose B no lone pair, so there is 4 pi electron system, so this is also anti-aromatic. Non-aromatic, first condition cyclic, say then non-planar and non-conjugated. Suppose example, cyclo octa tetraene. This is 4 pi electron system, but this is not the planar because this is top shaped like structure. This is the original structure of this. This is not planar or non-planar. So this is non-aromatic compound. And another example, suppose 2 hydrogen, there are 2 hydrogen is there, 2 hydrogen repulsion. So this is not planar molecule, non-planar molecule. So this is also the non-aromatic compound. Now same example, but 2 hydrogen replaced a bridge. There is no interaction, so no steric interaction. So this is planar molecule. This is also 2 4 6 8 10 pi electron system. This is also 4n plus 2 pi electron system. This is also aromatic compound because planar and conjugated, cyclic, so and Huckel's rule follow. So this is also the aromatic compound. Homoaromatic, this is cyclic and conjugated system by passing one saturated carbon, sp3 carbon. Suppose example, positive charge. So there are 2 hydrogen is there. This is sp3 carbon, and this is conjugated this pathway. So this is the homoaromatic example. Quasi-aromatic, this is the ionic aromatic compound. This is the ionic aromatic compound. This is polar and high dipole moment. Suppose example, double bond O. So there pi bond is there. So O minus, this is positive, this is 2 pi electron system, this is aromatic, and the electronegativity difference between oxygen and carbon, so form the quasi-aromatic. This quasi-aromatic compound are polar, positive and negative, and high dipole moment. Because charge separation, we know dipole moment equal to E into D. Charge separation increase, so dipole moment increase. And stability order, first aromatic, then homoaromatic, then non-aromatic, then anti-aromatic. This is the stability order of the aromaticity. Next I discuss Craig's rule. Craig's rule, this is valid for polycyclic non-benzenoid system. Non-benzenoid system means no benzene ring present, no benzene ring. Second, C2 axis must be present. C2 axis must be present. The first condition, polycyclic non-Benzoate system required, and second, C2 axis present. Then the number of pi bond count. Number of pi bonds. Number of pi bonds is even. This is non-aromatic system. Aromatic, or number of pi bond odd. So this is aromatic compound. So first Craig's rule applied for polycyclic non-Benzoate system, and then C2 axis present, so for valid. And then number of pi bond count, number of pi bond is even, so this is non-aromatic system, and number of pi bond odd, so this is aromatic system. Now example, this is non-Benzoate system because there is no benzene ring. Then this is conjugated non-Benzoate conjugated system, polycyclic system, and then check C2 axis of symmetry. There is C2 axis of symmetry. So check number of pi bond, 1 2 3 4. So 4 pi bond is there. So 4 pi bond. So this is even number. So this is the non-aromatic compound. Now check, this is also polycyclic non-Benzoate because no benzene ring. Then check C2 axis. There is C2 axis. This is the C2 axis. C2 axis is there. So number of pi bond count, 1 2 3 4 5. So 5 pi bond. This is odd number. So this is aromatic. Compound. Next I discuss annihilation effect. Each ring is fused system. Fused system give the part of the aromaticity to the adjacent ring is called annihilation effect. Fused ring, we know, this is each ring connected a common bond. This is called fused system or fused ring. Now in annihilation effect, number of ring increase, aromaticity decrease. Example, now this is 6 pi electron system. This is aromatic compound. This is also aromatic. But number of ring increase. This is 1 ring and this is 2 ring. This is fused system. 1 common bond is there. 2 common bond is there. So aromaticity order 1. This is 2. This is 3. Suppose aromaticity order 1 greater than 2 greater than 3, because number of ring increase, aromaticity decrease. So number of ring this side increase, so aromaticity decrease. This is the annihilation effect. Now I will discuss some question you are watching on the screen. Question number 1. Arrange this molecule is correct order of deprotonation. The order, this is CN. This is also CN but double bond. This is CN. After deprotonation, H plus remove, so form the CN negative, and this is proton, this is remove, so form the negative charge. But this is 6 pi electron system and conjugation, so this is aromatic. But there is no conjugation. But after protonation, this is minus I effect, so stable. But there is no proton, so the stability or deprotonation order equal to, suppose 1 2 3, so 3 greater than 1 greater than 2. This is the order. Now second, which of the following compound gives precipitate with AgNO3? The compound is, this is Br, this is Br, and 3 member ring F. In AgNO3, in presence of AgNO3, precipitate AgBr. So precipitate AgBr and formation NO3 minus and AgBr. This is precipitate. And similarly, precipitate AgBr and Ag a precipitate. There is 4pi electron system. 4pi electron system conjugation 4pi electron system. This is anti-aromatic compound. Anti-aromatic, less stable. This is 6pi electron and conjugation. This is 6pi electron system. This is aromatic compound. Aromatic. And 2pi electron conjugation. 2pi electron conjugation. This is also aromatic. So precipitation 1, 2, 3. Only 2 and 3. Only 2 and 3 are precipitate. Only 2 and 3 are precipitated. Question number 3. Which one of the following has highest dipole moment? Option A, option B, option C, option D. We know highest dipole moment. Calculate. Dipole moment equal to E, mu equal to E into D. A charge separation increase, so dipole moment increase. So charge separation increase. Suppose the double bond are break. Double bond break. After double bond break, this is positive, this is negative. To form, this is 6pi electron system, this is 6pi electron system, and this is 2pi electron system and conjugation. So this is both are aromatic. So total compound are aromatic. After aromatic, this compound is stable. So charge separation positive, negative, charge separation. So dipole moment high. But in this case, there is same compound, same ring. There is same ring. So one positive, one negative. This is aromatic, but this is anti-aromatic. So there is total non-aromatic compound. So option 3. First discuss quasi-aromatic. Quasi-aromatic. This is electronegativity difference carbon and oxygen. So we break the bond. This is positive and this is negative. So this is aromatic compound, quasi-aromatic compound, but there is total carbon-carbon bond. No electronegativity difference. So we cannot break this bond positive or negative. We cannot break a positive or negative. So this is not the answer. Option A is the right answer because the aromatic create and positive negative charge created. So dipole moment charge separation increases. So dipole moment increases. So option A is the right answer. Number 4. Explain the acidity of the following compound. Acidity, first H plus remove. So form the negative charge, and similarly form the negative charge, and this is form the negative charge, and CF3 and CF3, and this is also the negative charge. But total are aromatic compound. This is 6pi electron, this is 6pi electron, total are aromatic compound. We first discuss annihilation effect. So the number of ring size increase, number of ring connectivity increase, so aromaticity decrease. So small ring, this is one ring compound, and this is also one ring compound, but CF3 minus A effect. We know minus A effect stability, we know minus effect stability, negative charge. So option third one and option 4, but ring size increases, aromaticity decreases. So option 1 and option 2 is the answer. Today I will upload such type of content and some tricks and some concept. So please stay with me and like, share, subscribe, comment. Thank you.